Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Be Quiet Purebase 501 Airflow, a case designed for those who value a clean aesthetic and quiet performance. This ATX case offers a streamlined design without sacrificing cooling capabilities. The Purebase 501 Airflow is all about balance. It's compact, making it a great choice for smaller spaces, but it still manages to pack in impressive features. The case comes with two pre-installed PureWings 3 140mm PWM fans. These fans are optimized for airflow, reducing turbulence and keeping noise levels down. Cooling is a key focus here. The case supports up to 3 front fans or a 360mm radiator, and up to 3 top fans or a 240mm radiator. This flexibility allows for a variety of cooling configurations, making it suitable for demanding builds. The case also includes a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port for fast data transfer. The Purebase 501 Airflow also supports vertical GPU installation, allowing you to showcase your graphics card. The Be Quiet Purebase 501 Airflow is a well-rounded case that offers a blend of style, performance, and quiet operation. It's a great option for anyone looking for a compact ATX case that doesn't compromise on features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.